different molecules are to participating in the reaction, the forming of product of that order of reaction. We have taken the concentration of two reactants there. That's why that is the second order reaction. So the order is to depend on the concentration of the reactant. Simple. The order is depend on the concentration of reactant. Now here in the reaction, there involvement of two substances are there. The two substances are is a different in there. Is that clear? Right now see here, case 2. Two substances are to different, clear, of that order of reaction. Right now see here, A, B. A is one of the substance, B is the one of the substance. When both are to combine together, they forming a product. Clear? We get the product. When time equal to 0, time equal to 0, we not get the product. Clear? The product concentration is the 0. Simple. Product concentration is the 0. Now A of the concentration small a, B of the concentration small b. This is the concentration. When time t equal to 0, when time t equal to 0, A of the concentration small a, B of the concentration small b. Clear? Next one. When time equal to t, or 20 minutes or 30 minutes or 40 minutes, whatever that, the time equal to t. Clear? After some time. So what is there here? A of the reactant. A of the reactant concentration is the, first we get the product of the concentration small x. Product of the concentration is the small x. And next A of the concentration, A minus x now. Next B minus x. This is also concentration. After time t. Clear? No derivation. How we can write in the rate of reaction? Dx by dt equal to, clear? Right. Dx by dt. Dx by dt is the rate of reaction. Small r equal to dx by dt. This is a small r equal to dx by dt. What is the rate of reaction? Increase in the concentration in a product or decrease in a concentration of reactant. That is we call the rate of reaction. So that is inversely proportional, sorry, directly proportional to A of the concentration and next to B of the concentration. How we can write that one? Dx by dt is equal to K2. K2 is the constant. Okay. Now A of concentration, A minus x. B of concentration, B minus x. Now understand here? Right. Now I am at the x values at one side. T is come to the out of the equal to. Okay, clear? Dx by dt, sorry, not t no. This one A minus x, B minus x. Clear? A minus x and B minus x. Next one, that is equal to, what do you write? K2 into dt. K2 into dt. So after that, integration on both sides. What is that? Integration on both sides. Integration on both sides. Look at here. Integration dx, integration dx by a minus x into b minus x, that is equal to integration, okay, k2 into integration dt, right? In one formula is there in the mathematics, that is integration dx by a minus x b minus x, that is equal to 1 by a minus b log b into a minus x by, what is that, a into b minus x. This is the mathematical formula. Clear? Now look at here. In that place, integration dx by a minus x into b minus x. What do you write? 1 by a minus b log b into a minus x by a into b minus x. May I write in that place? Okay. Right. What do you write here? 1 by a minus b log, it is in base e. Okay. Right. Next, what do you write? b into a minus x by a into b minus x, that is equal to k2 into t plus c. C is the integration constant. When is for example, integration and derivation maybe they cancel. You think about cancel. After that we get the one constant. That is the integration constant. Okay, right. That is constant value now. Right. So I am only take the k2 into t. That is constant value. I am not taking the next step. That constant value. Clear? Constant means you think about that is the zero. Is that clear? Now 1 by a minus b log. So now look at here. Log base e equal to 2.303 log base 10. The log base e value equal to 2.303 log base 10. May I write in that place of log e? What do you write here? 1 into 2.303 same, no? Yes or no? Right. 2.303 by a minus b log base e 10. Okay. 10 b into a minus x by a into b minus x, that is equal to k2 into t, that constant value. Okay, no need of in the next step. Next one, I am at the k2. I am start with the k2 into t in the next step. Okay, clear? k2 into t, that is equal to 2.303 minus a minus b. Okay, log base 10 into b minus x by, sorry, a minus x by b minus x. Now t is come to the out of the equal to. How we can write? What do you write that one? When is t is called come to the out of the equal to? k2 equal to 1 by t. Okay, 303 by t. May I write this like? That is 1 by t. Clear? 1 into 2.39 is equal to 2.303. That is no. Right. Next one. A minus b Next, log base 10 b into a minus x by a into b minus x. This is the in case. What is that? In the reaction, maybe two reactants are participating. Two different reactants may be involved in the reaction of that order of derivation equation. What is that? K2 equal to 2.303 by T, A minus B log base 10. What do you write? What is that? B into A minus X. That one. Write down. Raskundamma. So in the exam, you write any one, either first case or second case.